But at the end of the day, in order to build a big business, you're gonna have to let go of some of that some of that connection that you have to the quality. You know, like when you're not the one cleaning and when you're not there, quality will drop. It's just a given. No one in the business has incentive to care about the business more than you. Of course, you want the quality A1 100% every time, but no one else gives a shit. No one else cares that that you want your quality to be great, and that's the best that you can do, and the best you can improve your systems to try to get better outcomes by having different equipment or different teaching different training different processes or changing different chemicals or what have you or tools or those are the ways you improve those processes. But when you're not there, the quality is going to drop, but you can't let that be the deciding factor in you not making money. So yeah, the quality is going to drop, but you're able to do more in more places. You're able to stretch your hands into more places by delegating and just working on the system.